Well, the meet was still was canceled, but people still showed anyway. Oh, Lordy Jesus. But I'll show y'all what I just saw in a second. But I don't know if this is the same car I seen. I don't know. It looks like it.
It is kind of pain. No Camaro piece of shit. Just needs a little work. Like brakes. My reman brakes. Right. Calibrates. Nice.
But I'm about to show y'all what I was talking about. I don't know. I can't find that car though.
I don't fuck with you.
Oh, he's back. He came back. Yeah. We seen him at like the Cars and Coffee. Hey, you messing up my shot, man. Yeah, it's still coming.
Enough to the point where I'm one day going to.
That's what she said. I want it. 1993. He didn't reply or anything?
See the other, you see the dude, the white boy here, comes in the shit, like, you supposed to look at the burn.
See no gym dog.
I don't like when the rims stick out. It looks like a Lancer. Oh god, another SP. Another one has to jack it out. Go by. There's like SRT 300 Chrysler. No, but the left side pulling motherfuckers over. Don't pull him over. That'd be kind of crazy. Yo, I saw a golf bar in DC. I said that was the first thing.
Hi.
Around every ball. I'm like, why did you bring it? Like you're a dumbass. Like I wouldn't. I'm gonna be honest with you. If I had a golf,
You quiet yourself.
Excuse me. Let me tell you something. You talk to the black man like that again, the black man gonna show you something else.
Hey. Why is it so dark?
He probably makes he's got to be over like 1.2 million probably.
No, but this is not Panda, because Panda has stuff on it, and the stuff is like, yo, I want to fucking see that car though, man. This shit is nice. You know, he has on it.
Oh, they got the camera. Fuck all that shit. I'm trying to get on camera. I'm trying to get on camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm right. It is Sergio's car.
You said it is?
Yeah.
Yo, cars look so much cleaner, like without the badges. Now I see why people do that. It looks like so much cleaner.
If I ever tell you Hondas suck,
Hey, V-Tech, don't take. Look at it. Look at it. I want to have it. Don't you want to have it too? Japanese muscles. What's wrong with you? I'm about to get donuts. You should. Hey, there you go.
They're too expensive for no reason.
I only got.
Okay. You gonna do it? Why are he leaving us? Something's gonna happen. I'm just waiting. Oh, it's moving. Hey. I'm just here. Don't mind me. That was fucking disappointing. We come in peace.
SS's. 70 SS's
Bye.
were solid. I love the 70s Aaron Ditto.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.